This home in Horsham, PA had old builder-grade vinyl windows, drafty, noisy, and energy wasting. We replaced the entry door and all 14 windows with European tilt and turn windows from Oknoplast Pixel line, NFRC certified, and the difference is dramatic. Each window features triple-pane low-E glass with argon gas and warm edge spacers, delivering a U factor as low as 0.19 and an STC rating up to 36. Significantly better than the typical 24 to 30 STC found in standard vinyl windows. For even greater acoustic comfort, upgraded packages are still available with STC ratings up to 47. That means lower energy bills, more consistent indoor temperatures, quieter, more comfortable home. These aren't your standard windows. Unlike builder-grade vinyl or even some popular brands, these use a 6-chamber UPVC frame reinforced with galvanized steel for superior strength, durability, and long-term performance. They open 3 ways, so you can tilt for ventilation, turn for full access and easy cleaning, and Microvent for gentle airflow, all with a smooth European operation and a sleek modern look. They're also equipped with mosquito screens, hidden hinges, and a flawless finish inside and out with optional pleated blinds, grids between the glass, and a wide selection of colors, including rich wood grade finishes. Ready to upgrade? Call ARDMOR Windows and Doors, bringing more to your door.